What's going on, friends? I'm out here at S1 Pool Hall and Sport Bar. Pretty new establishment. I believe they had a soft opening on July the 1st. It's a really nice spot, I think. Nice atmosphere. Right now they have 8 tables downstairs. They also have an upstairs, it's just not finished yet. They've got a ping pong table, beer pong, darts. They have foosball. They have a projector that will display live sport as well. They've got a spot for live music. They have a place where you can sit down and enjoy a meal. It's basically just food to snack on. Chicken nuggets, spring rolls, fried chicken and french fries, gyoza, fish balls. Their drink prices are really good. 50 baht for a hot cappuccino, 65 baht for iced cappuccino, 75 baht for a frappe. They've got your sodas, Coke, Sprite, A&W root beer. Those are 45 baht, 80 or 90 baht for Chong, Tiger, Leo, Singha, Heineken, San Miguel. Corona's 120. They said usually the price for a table is 200 baht per hour, but as of yesterday, they were running a special for 100 baht per hour, and beers are buy 2, get 1 free. I'm not here to drink, I'm just here to shoot some pool. I'll probably get a soda water, vibe out for a little bit. I'm not the greatest pool player in the world anyway, but it's really trash right now because I haven't shot in a long time. Well, I shouldn't say I haven't shot in a long time. Me and Aaron were just in here yesterday. What I'm saying is I don't shoot as regularly as I used to. My name is not Efren Reyes. That was not what I was trying to do. I done blocked myself off the 10. What the heck, man? See, that's what I be trying to tell y'all. I ain't no good. I'm trash. I don't know how to do all that English to put the ball where I want it and all that. I mean, I know a little bit, but you got some guys, they can do that on every shot. I can't do that. This is okay, I just bought her a staff drink. So it's 140 baht for a staff drink, and they make a little bit of commission off that. If you have one of the staff shoot with you, you can buy them a drink, but at the same time, it's not expected. They're not trying to force you to buy them a drink. It's just if you want to do it, you can. Or if you want to, whenever you're done shooting, you can just tip them. It's up to you. Just let me know. That's what I do. How many tables total when finished?
34.
34 tables
Yeah.
when they finish. This is where they will put the rest of the 8 and 9 ball tables. Behind the glass, they'll have a smoking room. 1 snooker table, and then this section here will be Chinese 8 ball. I've never heard of that before. I don't know what that table looks like. What shape is the table for Chinese 8 ball?
Same snooker.
Okay.
In 9 foot.
Okay. Same as a snooker table, but 9 foot. Snooker table is what, 12 foot?
12 foot. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What was your name again?
My name is
S.
S1.
Yeah, S1. Okay.